The harvest process here is quite efficient. We use both manual inspection and gentle mechanical shakers to gather the olives at peak ripeness.
We select only the best olives, like these right here, ensuring premium quality.
Angle the rake up a little higher, get those top branches.
As you can see, we only select the finest olives. These purple ones were hand-picked just this morning, perfectly ripe for pressing.
Welcome to the facility. Keep coming straight and then turn right into the third bay.
These air blowers are essential for the filtration sequence, ensuring the complete removal of impurities from the water supply.
This is where the malaxation happens. We slowly churn the olive paste here in these vats, usually for 30 to 45 minutes.
These stainless steel tanks are where we store the collected oil before the refining process begins.
This is where we store the ultra-clear filtered oil. It moves directly from these tanks into the bottling area you see here.
facility handles over 10,000 pallets daily. The automated systems ensure that our workflow remains.
Thank you for visiting our factory. We are very proud to present the finest olive oil crafted with care right here.